Greetings everyone, my name is Tony Holowitz. In this quick tutorial, I want to show you 3 more things you can do with a list view. So when we have a list like this, we have the ability to print the list right there. If we want to duplicate a contact like Kandor, I can click on duplicate. It will give me the option of duplicating this contact. I can do it with all the fields or just a portion of the fields. The primary fields are all the fields. I'm going to click cancel because I actually don't want to do this right now. I just want to illustrate how it could be done. I'm going to go back to the list view. And when we're in the list view, the last thing I want to show you is that we can write a letter. So let's say I want to write a letter to Kandor. I could click on write letter. It will download the file. It will allow you to open it up in your default word processor. And to show you an example of what I had already done, this is what will occur. You can type the body of the letter right here and send and print this to email, or you could print it out and mail it. So you can do a lot of things from the list view. And I think if nothing else, if you take away the following, it's just another way to work with your data in Act. And that's why the more you can learn about Act, the more you sort of embody this with the way you work every day, hopefully you'll have a better experience with the software. Okay, my friends, you have a great day. Thank you for your time. Bye now.